Potatoes and eggs! I wish I had tried this recipe before. The result is amazing. Let's start our recipe by cutting 3 to 4 potatoes. Let me know if you have ever made a recipe using potatoes and eggs. I would love to know your recipe. Put the potatoes in a bowl, add water, and wash them well. Then pat them dry with a towel or paper towel. The potatoes are already dried. Now add 2 eggs, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon oregano, 65 grams of flour, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Joyce Edwin Ngoma from Zambia. I'm happy that you are enjoying our recipes. In a pan, add oil, put the potatoes in, and let them fry for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Next, turn the potatoes over and let them fry until golden brown for another 10 minutes on low heat. While the potatoes are frying, chop half onion into very small pieces. Add it to a bowl, then 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, black pepper to taste, and stir to combine. The potatoes are already fried. Remove them from the pan. Put them in a bowl lined with paper towels. Chop some chives, it's optional. And put them on top of the potatoes. And our recipe is ready. Just serve it with the sauce we prepared. It's incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.